Stop wasting thousands of dollars on agents or paid consultants. I applied to study in Italy 100% free, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, how to find your course, how to choose the right university, and how to register on Universitaly step by step. Skip to any part using the timecodes below. This is the website you need to visit to research courses for your bachelor's or master's degree and to find universities offering those programs. On the homepage, you can search for your desired course directly or explore by selecting what to study. For example, if you're interested in interaction design, type it into the search bar. You'll see a list of related courses from various universities. To find English taught programs, use the language filter. If you're applying for a bachelor's degree, select first level 3 years. For a master's degree, choose second level 2 years to see the relevant options. Suppose you choose digital and interaction design at Politecnico. Click the course to visit its dedicated page. Here you'll find all course details, including what you'll study. To apply for this master's degree, you need to visit the official website of Politecnico. Once you're on the website, go to the education section from the top menu and choose Master's Programs. From there, you can filter the programs by study area. After selecting the course, you'll be taken to a page with a brief overview of the program, including key details. On this page, look for the Apply button. Since you're an international student, check the Foreign Qualifications section. This section includes admission requirements, how to apply, application deadlines, how to track your application status. Read the requirements carefully to make sure you don't miss anything, and start preparing in advance for when the application portal opens. Before applying, you must also register yourself on the Universitaly website. To register, fill in your personal details exactly as shown on your passport. Complete all fields marked with a star. The Italian tax code will be generated automatically. Just click on it, take a screenshot, and save it, as it might be needed later during university applications. Double-check all the information before clicking Save. After registering, check your email for your username and password. Use them to log in, then create a new password. Once logged in, your Universitaly dashboard will be ready. You'll return to this portal later after receiving university admission to complete pre-enrollment. All the important links are in the description below. Check them out to avoid application errors. In the next video, we'll see how to apply to 3 of the top Italian public universities. No agents required. Hit subscribe, get part 2 the second it drops. Your turn, hit that button. I'll see you in the next video.